today's video, we are going to talk about DCL command, where DCL stands for Data Control Language. Okay, so there are two commands, grant and revoke. Okay, in the previous video, if you have seen that we have made two servers. One is our Postgres, which was normal, and the other one was Avani. These were the two servers we have created. Now, why we are doing that? If you remember, this was our earlier server, that is PostgreSQL. All our experiment students we have done in this server. How do I know? Please see here. I can see the line is Postgres at PostgreSQL. Means you are under Postgres over here. Okay. And if you are under this server that is called as Avani, which I've kept open over here, can you see the name that we will be seeing over here is Avani at Avani. Okay, so this is how you can identify in what server you are there. Okay, now let us see, students. We will come here. What we have to do here is whichever table that are present in this server. You know there are two tables. Okay, I'll show you those two tables. Your employee table and your project table. These are the two tables which are accessible. Okay, in our Postgres, right? I can see we can see our employee table. Okay, if you click on project also, we can see that the project table is also visible. Okay, but now let us see. We have created another server. Okay, in this Avani, can we access this table? Okay, is it possible that can we access it? Okay, let us see, can we access the project table? That is what we will be working mainly on. Okay, we cannot because the permission is denied. The permission is denied. Why the permission is denied, students? Because you have not given the permission, okay, of this particular table to Avani. So this is called as data control. Who has the control? Only the PostgreSQL has the control. So now let us do one thing. Let us grant it. Okay. So this I can say the syntax for that is what you will do, grant. Okay, after grant, we have to give privilege. So I'm saying select. Now, what privileges you can give? You can give select, you can give update, you can give delete, you can give all also. If you don't want to think, you can give all. All means sab kuch mil jayega. So right now, let us give select, okay, on what is the name of the database? That is our project 2. To whom we have to give? We have to give it to the server whose name is Avani. Okay, so to Avani. Now let us select the students. Remember, this command should be written in the Postgres. Who has the table? The command should be written there, students. Okay. Now let us run it. Okay. If everything is right, you will get a message, grant. Let us go to here. And now let us try to select the project table. If you try to select the project table, now you can see, students, you can see it. Right. Now, you have the command for select. But can you update? Let us try. You are trying to update, what is the syntax for that? Update project. Let us say set project name, let us say, is equal to ABC. Okay, where EMP is equal to 25. Let us say something like that. Okay, we are trying to rename the project name, but see what happens over here. It says permission denied, because understand, students, you have given only select permission. Okay, if only let us say you have given the, instead of select, let us say you have also given the update permission. Okay, grant update on project to Avani. If suppose this was done, okay, let us try to run this. The grant has been given. Let us go to here. And now let us try to run the particular project. You can say, yes, there is one update. And if you want to see that, students, we can see it also that 6 has been updated by ABC. Okay, so grant can be given. So like that, students, you can give update. Okay, now instead of only this particular privilege, let me give all. Okay, we can give all privilege also. What will happen? Insert, update, delete, everything can be done by who? By the server Avani. Okay, now one thing. PostgreSQL has given the grant to Avani. Now, can Avani, this server, give grant to somebody else? This has also act like a server, right? But for that, what we will have to do, students, we will have to create one more server, one more level of server. But before that, let us come to the revoke command. Once we understand the revoke command, then we will understand this chain of grant commands also. Now, how do I revoke it? Okay. Now, let us say I'm trying to revoke. Okay. I have given update. Now, revoke update on project. Remember, here you will write from. Avani. Okay, revoke, what privilege you're revoking, what is the name of the database, from which user. So now let us run this command, students. You should get the message as revoke. Now you go and try to update something, okay, in this, okay, you try to update something, you say permission has been denied. So like that, students, we can write a revoke command, okay, and then we can also revoke the privileges that we have given. Okay, so this was all about our grant and revoke, okay, and the privileges also. Okay, remember it can be insert, select, update, all, any kind of.